On my way to another shoot this morning for this precision 3D printing company. Should be pretty interesting. I'm excited to see what they're making with it.
No, I think those two are two of my favorites.
Yeah, I mean, you learn a lot about so many different lifestyles.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
That's true.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Hey, I'm Eric.
Greg.
Greg. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Greg's gonna DP today.
Oh, cool.
Excellent. So, yeah, they've been making 3D printers since before anybody knew what 3D printers were.
Yeah? Wow.
So,
Hey, you remember Eric, right?
you good?
All right, bud.
I'm good. How are you? Okay, yeah, I should. Kevin's getting Cinedrive set up. Roll it on here. We're gonna do a time lapse of a 3D printer. Day 11, we just wrapped. Starting to load stuff out. Now I got the shell dolly, Cinedrive, got the camera stuff over there. So, get ready to head home.